Did you know that the slime of a humble sea snail is revolutionizing medicine? The cone snail, found in tropical oceans, produces a venom that contains a compound called ziconotide. This compound is 1,000 times more potent than morphine and is used to treat severe chronic pain without the risk of addiction. Scientists were amazed to discover that a creature so small could hold the key to pain relief. This unexpected discovery is changing lives and showcasing nature's hidden potential. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.